In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Meta has made this really simple because Meta AI is built directly into WhatsApp. There's nothing extra to install, no third-party plugins, and no separate bot to add. It works right inside the app you already use, so you can start chatting with the AI the same way you chat with your contacts. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your phone or on the web. Once you're in, the experience is mostly automatic. If your account has access, you'll see prompts or icons that make Meta AI easy to find and turn on. Follow any on-screen guidance to get started. Access is rolling out region by region, so if you don't see it yet, it may arrive soon. Keeping WhatsApp updated can help ensure you get the feature as soon as it's available to you. When Meta AI is enabled on your account, you can reach it in three main places. The first is the search bar. Tap the search field at the top of WhatsApp. In eligible accounts, you'll notice an option to ask Meta AI directly from there. Type your question or request in natural language just like you would in a chat and send. This is great for quick lookups, brainstorming ideas, or getting concise explanations without leaving WhatsApp. The second spot is a dedicated Meta AI icon. Look for an AI button or shortcut in your chat list or when you start a new conversation. Tapping it opens a direct thread with Meta AI. Think of this as your ongoing conversation space with the assistant. You can come back to it anytime, ask follow-up questions, or reference earlier answers. If you rely on it often, keep this thread near the top of your chat so it's easy to access. The third place is inside group chats. When available, you can bring Meta AI into a group conversation to help the whole group get quick answers or summaries. Keep in mind that anything the AI replies with in a group is visible to everyone there, so use it for general info, planning, or light research, and avoid sharing personal or sensitive details. A few quick tips to get better results. Be clear about what you want, include context when it helps, and ask follow-up questions if the first answer isn't quite right. And remember, treat Meta AI like any online assistant. Don't share passwords, private IDs, or anything you wouldn't post publicly. That's it. Open WhatsApp, look for Meta AI where it appears in your account, and start chatting from the search bar, the AI icon, or right inside your group conversations. Enjoy exploring what it can do for you.